If you want a dessert that looks bakery fancy but takes zero baking, make cheesecake in a jar. These are creamy, tangy, and perfectly layered. And I'll show you the little trick that keeps the crust from getting soggy. Here's what you need: graham crackers and pretzels for a crisp crumble, cream cheese, whipped cream, powdered sugar, vanilla, lemon zest, and berries. The game changer is freeze-dried fruit, which thickens the berry layer fast without cooking. Crush your graham crackers fine and crush the pretzels a little more coarse. That mix gives you buttery crunch and a little structure so the bottom doesn't turn into mush. Stir the crumbs with melted butter and a pinch of salt until it looks like damp sand. If it clumps when you squeeze it, you're in the sweet spot. Add 1 to 2 spoonfuls to each jar and press it lightly. You want it snug but not packed like concrete. For the berry layer, microwave your berries with a little lemon juice until they get juicy. Stir and mash a few berries just enough to make it spoonable. Now the trick: stir in freeze-dried fruit powder. It thickens the berry layer fast, no stovetop, no cornstarch, and it keeps the flavor bright. You're aiming for a spoon jam that doesn't run. Whip your heavy cream to soft peaks. Soft peaks keep the filling fluffy and silky like cheesecake mousse, not frosting. Beat the cream cheese until it's completely smooth. Then add powdered sugar, vanilla, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. This is what makes it taste like real cheesecake, not just sweet cream. Fold in the whipped cream gently, don't overmix. When it looks airy and holds a soft mound, your filling is ready. Layer like this: crumble, cheesecake filling, then berry spoon jam. Repeat if your jars are tall for the cleanest layers. Piping the filling is totally worth it. Chill them for a few hours overnight is even better than top with fresh berries and a little extra crumble right before serving. For the full written recipe and all the make-ahead tips, check the link in the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com.